How can you streamline operations in a fish processing factory without going over budget? And how do you eliminate manual processing bottlenecks, increase fillet yield, and save more than €500,000 on equipment costs? This is a story of Toni Fisher and their smart move with Airy. Hi, my name is Mateusz. I love technology that helps the food industry. I know a lot about machines for meat and fish processing, how they work, how to fix them, and how to choose the best ones. I started Airy Food Machinery to help clients. We find good, used machines that save money and time. We buy and sell machines 24/7, in Poland, in Europe, and anywhere our clients need help. And this is a case study from our cooperation in Bulgaria. Toni Fisher is the leading producer of salmon trout in Bulgaria, with an annual yield of 1,000 tons. The fish are raised in crystal clear waters, ensuring premium quality. But until recently, they had a bottleneck. Manual processing capped their fillet yield at just 62%. As demand grew, automation became crucial. In an ideal world, brand new machinery might seem like the only choice for any food processor. Toni Fisher recognized it wasn't necessary. After assessing their situation and the market options, they decided to invest in high-quality refurbished equipment. They knew that successful implementation requires effective on-site collaboration and strong technical support. This is exactly why they chose Airy. We prepared a perfect fit solution to help them enter the world of automation. Toni Fisher modernized two crucial steps at the same time: filleting and pinbone removal. Why modernize both processes at once? Filleting is a process with a great potential to instantly increase yield. On the other hand, an automated pinbone remover is designed to precisely match the size, shape, and structure of each individual fillet. Our client achieved maximum efficiency by addressing both stages at the same time. Toni Fisher invested in two Marel machines, the MS2730 salmon filleting machine and a pinbone remover. They specifically chose Marel technology because it's incredibly gentle on fish and consistently delivers the highest quality end products. Both units were fully checked and prepared for production. Airy provided the crucial on-site support Toni Fisher was looking for, handling the performance test, logistics, installation, and operator training. This hands-on approach helped their team adapt quickly and stabilize the entire process right from the start. Did the transaction work as planned? Absolutely. Toni Fisher achieved the performance they needed and hit the financial targets. The yield jumped from 62 to between 70 and 74% from whole fish. Most importantly, they saved exactly €530,000 compared to buying a new machine. This investment was about much more than just the machines. Airy helped Toni Fisher scale efficiently, improve production, increase consistency, and reduce waste, all achieved without increasing the workforce. With two processes automated, Toni Fisher is ready to scale further, meeting rising demand with consistent, high-yield production. High performance doesn't have to mean high cost. We make growth affordable for food processing companies. Refurbished, reliable, ready to run. Contact us for a tailored solution for your food processing company. The link is in the video description. Thank you for watching and see you soon.